Alright, so we are road tripping this week. We rented an Air B&B up in the mountains of Jarabacoa. Jarabacoa?
Jarabacoa.
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 That's it.
Anyway, it's way up in the mountains. Some friends of ours are meeting us over there, and we're gonna celebrate for a whole week for my birthday.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's gonna be pretty exciting. We have about a 3-hour drive until we get there. But yeah, beautiful countryside to drive through, so it's gonna be an awesome day, huh?
Yeah, it's gonna be a good day. As long as the car don't blow up, we're good.
Yeah, we're trying really hard not to think about the fact that this is a propane-fueled car, and we essentially have a bomb in the back of our car. Don't get hit by anything.
Yeah.
Especially a diesel truck.
Sheesh.
Alright, you got anything else to say?
Now look at this bike. It's smoking.
Okay, so we made it and we're being guided back by the host. It's like way deep in the mountains.
Yeah.
It's pretty awesome.
Yeah, on this gravel road, and we're in this really crappy Hyundai.
This propane-fueled Hyundai.
And yeah, the roads are very steep.
Come on, Hyundai. Come on, Hyundai, you can do it.
Sheesh.
Oh wow, we are way up here.
Dude.
What?
Crap. Definitely don't want to fall off of this mountain.
No, and there's like not much protecting you there.
That's pretty damn awesome, dude.
Wow. Is unreal, right? It's 3 stories.
Yeah, it's amazing.
Like way up in the mountains. It's awesome.
Yeah, the drive up here was like, you think you're gonna fall off of this freaking giant mountain. And then you get up here and it's like, oh my god.
It's like a paradise.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
So this is the house. So yeah, I guess this is the common living space. Big kitchen back here. We're gonna do some cooking probably tonight. Well, 4 days that we're here.
Oh, there's a hammock.
Here's the living room with a TV. I don't think we're going to be using that thing at all. You walk out this way. But the only thing you need right now is a Corona. Or a glass of wine. Or some rum. And dude, look at this, bro. We're literally on the mountain. Holy crap, there's a... there's another little porch living space over here.
Yeah, that's right down the garden.
Dude.
Do my yoga.
I'm gonna check that out.
That's like all the Airbnb.
Yeah. That's the house over there. We're probably not gonna want to leave this place. After living on a boat, like a 500 square foot area for almost 2 years now. Yeah, this is a treat, staying in a big giant place like this.
Cajun cooking in the DR.
Yeah.
What you got going on here, babe?
I'm cooking a shrimp creole with sausage. Normally wouldn't put sausage in it, but I like sausage in it. Bunch of cool friends over there. And we're cooking a Shrimp Creole, a dish that I really enjoy cooking, and it's actually coming along really good. Check that out. There we go. Yeah, so it's really thick. See how thick and creamy that is? Just letting those flavors just work and everything. It's time to finish the dish because everybody's starting to get hungry. But there's the shrimp. So that's like, you put the shrimp in.
In time, 15 minutes?
Time about 15 minutes, and it's ready to eat. Yeah, take a look at that.
That looks delicious, huh?
Mm-hmm.
When did you start? Do you know when you started this?
I don't know.
It's been more than 4 hours.
It's
1:30, I think.
Yeah, before
we started.
2 o'clock. So we put the shrimp in. There's 2 pounds of shrimp and seasoned with my seasoning. Can't tell you what's in that.
Secret seasoning.
Yeah, definitely a secret. Nice.
Yum.
And we gotta add one more ingredient though.
What? Oh, the little tomatoes. That's the best. Oh no!
Oh. You gotta pour in there. Pour them in. Okay.
All right.
So we just stir that
So
in.
do you need me to time 15 minutes, babe?
Yeah, so let's time it. It's not ready yet.
It's 8:02 right now.
Cheers.
Cheers. Do it every minute of it. It's a freaking good life. Good life is a good life. Good life. Yes.
Okay, so we are on our way to Hiker Waterfall. So,
Yeah.
forget the name of it, but about 30-minute drive away. So, yeah, that's what we're doing today.
Yeah.
A whole lot of hiking.
Cabarete waterfall? No party. Okay, not here. Do you know where? No. Do you know where? Cabarete waterfall? No.
No, allá.
Okay.
Thank you.
What's up, Ollie?
on, buddy.
We rented this cabin up in the mountains. It's a massive house, man. I'd say close to 5,000 square foot. At the top of this mountain, just kind of like perched on the ledge. Look at the grade here. So I'm standing probably in the middle of the yard. And the rest of the yard is way down there. And then the house is way up here. And then there's another level up there with a place to park your car. Not only that, but the place is just covered in all kinds of tropical plants and fruit trees and avocado trees, and it's really, really cool place. We've been walking around and picking bananas. There are a bunch of big avocados over there. We don't want to pick them though because they're really hard. And we don't know if they're for somebody, you know. We don't want to just be picking all their stuff. Now I'm walking up to where the orange grove is. This is a house that just keeps on giving.
I know.
Where are you?
Look at this. That's something different. Look how big they are.
Yeah,
I know.
It's like grapefruit, maybe?
Yeah.
Probably grapefruit.
Or a big navel orange, maybe. There you go.
Holy shit. Hold on. Let me put my arms down and I'll catch it. Oh!
Yeah, be careful.
There's spikes on these things, Jared. You didn't tell me.
Sorry.
It's only grapefruit.
It's way heavier than... This is not grapefruit.
Smell it.
Thing's huge, dude.
It might be like
really hard.
Yeah, oh, is it?
Yeah. What is it?
No clue.
It looks like the things I just asked what they were down below. Might be guayaba.
Were those hard as well?
It's really hard.
No.
No, it's strengthening, it's giving it stress.
Oh god.
Here we go.
You know, like you in a storm. It's like stress.
Yes, yes.
Here in the DR, they have some massive bugs, dude. Look at this beetle. It's like a big June bug.
We'll protect you.
Yeah, it's like a massive June bug, dude. Oh. Look at this
Jared,
dude.
are you holding it?
Yeah.
Oh,
You gotta get Holly's reaction.
Trying to get the footage.
Look how big it is, dude.
And then we also have massive cicadas, dude. Look at this, dude. What are you doing in the sink, bro? Get out of here. The bugs are big in the Dominican Republic, dude. Come here. I'm gonna catch them. Anybody want to see the cicada one more time?
No.
Let's see when he comes back.
Actually, it looks smaller.
Every night it's like new species.
The first night moving in.
There's no bugs.
Okay, so we have left the mountain house and now we are on our way to another small coastal town called Cabarete. And we're gonna spend a few days there and hang out on the beach.